रोहित तुका आयज सकाळी रेजिडेंट्स ऑफ पणजे तुका सीसीटीव्हीन मेळपाक येयल्ले तुवें तांकां आपयल्ले आयज रिगार्डींग दॅट कसिनो थिंग सो ते आयज सकाळी येयले थंयसर पूण तूं तांकां मेळपाक पावूंक ना सो ताका लागून तेंचो बोवाळ जालो इवन
See, first I would like to apologize. It was my mistake initially. We were initially supposed to have a meeting on the 12th. So I thought that notice had gone out, but it had not. There were some important agenda points that had to be added. That is why I said that in the press thing. So that I want to apologize also. Second of all, nobody invited them to attend to come for the meeting on the 12th. They had done that of their own volition. Now I was clear in the morning itself, and in the previous night I had spoken to two of those people who were present at the earlier meeting when they had come to meet me on the 2 days prior. I met them, I told them, see, I will not be there today. There is no meeting today, okay? And I explained, there was an issue with communication. We did not send out the official notice, but some 7 days had to be given because there were some 2-3 important agenda points that I was working on. They knew this. Now, despite that, they still decided to come to the council. Now, see, I know I have been very clear. There is nothing. I have been very clear about my personal opinion. Now, see, I am not in favor of gambling at all. And if there was an alternative to the casinos also, I would gladly take it. Now, there is nothing that I specifically as a mayor can do to address any of their concerns. Now, even then, I have read in the newspaper also that the boat is going to come under Res Magos and not under CCP. Right? CCP has nothing to do with basically issuing license of the casinos. Now, that comes under Home Ministry. Now, the CCP elections are coming in 2 months. Now, for 5 years, these people are absent. One boat does not get built in a matter of 1 month. Where it takes more than 1 year, 2.5 years. They knew that the boat was being built. Now they chose only this time before the elections to come out and make a scene. Again, now what they have done, I think, see now, the representation that CA had sent me earlier, the letter they sent, was signed by 3 people. Now we represent a constituency of 22,000 people, right? There are hundreds of people, thousands of people that are employed by the casinos. Now even if 10% of those are locals, okay, you're talking about thousands of jobs that are going to our local families. I had asked one of these ladies that had come earlier. I was like, what happens to the casinos what happens to the people once they leave? She's like, I don't care. Whatever happens, the casino, Panjim was fine before that and they'll be fine after that. Now, I cannot work on those solutions. Now, you're talking about hundreds of people who don't have jobs, who support their families, or who had come to meet me now as a representation of a very small section of society. These people are very comfortable in their lives. They have no reason to worry about where their next meal is going to come from, anything like that. Now, I do not represent those people alone. We represent all of Panjim. So until the majority of Panjim decides that they don't want the casinos, we will act in the interest of everybody. Now the resolution that they had passed now is clearly a political thing. You do not come well prepped with something at a council meeting and expect everybody to sign signatures. That was just a political setup. There was nothing more than that. Valmiki that whole group is only full of AAP people and full of Congress people. They do not represent the full section of society. Now what they have done was wrong. If you want to have clear dialogue, please you know exactly who to speak to. They went and made a noise in front of Captain of Ports. That's about it, in front of the corporation. They did not meet a single minister who's in charge of that. They did not meet Captain of Ports. They did not meet River Navigation Minister. They did not meet Home Minister. They did not meet anybody who's clearly in charge of granting those licenses. But they chose to attack the corporation who has nothing to do with the licenses itself. What they have done is clearly wrong. This is just a thing just to incite people before the elections and to spread rumors. That is it. There is nothing else that is to this thing.
So election lagi paula म्हणून सर वाल्मिकी देसाई बोवा गेला.
Obviously no, Baba. See, Valmiki has just been announced state president. Congratulations to him. It is his job. Now see what had happened earlier also, it was not me. Clearly I'm stating it was not me that had called the police. I was not even in Panjim that time. I was not even aware. I had only gotten a call later when the police had come. After that they had told me what is to be done. And I clearly told those police, I said, do not touch any of those people. And this was after Valmiki was already removed and did his drama and everything. So for that also, on behalf of whoever called the police, I apologize. That should not have been done in the beginning. Those are all senior citizens. Now aside from that also, yeah, that is all I have to say actually. There's nothing much.
But the board has already येऊन थंयसर dogs झालेले आसा न्हू. So what?
No, that is
CCP do?
That is what I'm saying. CCP has no connection to do with this. Now the boat is also docked in Res Magos. Now it is up to them. There is nobody. They should be taking their thing to the panchayat and to the Res Magos and all those people now to create an issue, right? Here we have nothing to do with it whatsoever.
So the Panje side in Asana Old Secretariat.
Even according to the article, it's come in the papers also that is on the Res Magos side. No, Panjim, we have not got any notification as of yet.
आता न्यू डेल्टीन जी जॅक लागल्या ती आता कसिनोच्या अपोजिट
That they are shifting it temporarily or something to make way for the new board. That again I read in the press. That is the shifting of the thing. That is something else. But what I'm trying to say also, now same thing. Now people knew that boat was being built. Now why did you all not fight for it 2 years ago when the boat was under construction? Why are you all waiting for it to get docked? Why are you all waiting for it to come into the river now? when it is so close to election time also now, this is the only time you'll have raised an issue. Otherwise, you'll have over there. Did Valmiki raise an issue when the boat was being built? No. Did he go to any of the government departments when it was being built? Did Patricia or any of these people go anywhere? They didn't go anywhere. So what I'm saying, no, it is only because of elections, nothing else.
It's all political
It is all
dramas.
political. I realize also, there are issues that the casinos have brought to the city. But it is up also to the respected departments to take corrective measures against all of this, right? We have police who are supposed to be doing their jobs when it comes to traffic management. If there are issues of crime, then you have the police follow that. If there are issues of pollution, you have pollution control board. There are different departments that are involved. Like we are literally the last organization. We issue trade license to the offices. There is nothing more that we do. So I don't know what this thing is. You don't see them out. They should go to CM directly, no? If they have any issues with that, they have not done.
सो परतीन पावताचे लोकूय खूब स्ट्रगल जाताले कित्याक ते ट्राफिक खूब जातालो थंयसर
See, that is what I'm saying also. See now.
टुरिस्ट थंयसर येताले
Yeah, that is, see, even I acknowledge that a
all
problem.
because of casino only.
That is true. There are issues related to the casino, but at the same time, the casino also employs a lot of our Goans, a lot of our families, a lot of dependence on the casinos. It is a give and take, right? Now, the government should also do a lot when it comes to managing that. See, Baba, we go out routinely with the police also to make sure that traffic is open. We are doing our best also, but it is out of our hands. Panjim was not designed for all of this, right? We cannot do anything about it also.
सो आतां तांकां परत तुमी आपयल्या तांकां मेळपाक बीन
No, see, if you want to work on some particular issue, if there's an issue that I can help you with, no, I'll gladly help you, as I said. But what you all are doing now is stupidity. There is no sense in you all coming to the corporation and making a noise also. This should have been done in every year. You all should have staged a dharna outside river navigation and captain of ports, no? So that is not, there is no interest. See, this is all political grammar. There is no interest from anybody to actually do anything also.
सो तुमी तांकां आतां परत आपोवचें ना
No, see, if they want to come, it is within their right to come. But like I said also, we don't represent 15 and 20 people. Now, we represent the majority of Panjim. So, until the majority of Panjim, there are a lot of business owners also, hotel owners, restaurant owners, shopkeepers, different segments of society, right?
they want casino in Benji all
Yeah,
business
the businesses want casinos in the thing also. See, they might not like what the casinos bring, but in terms of businesses only, it helps support a lot of families. See, my personal opinion aside, I was not elected, no, for my personal opinions. I was elected to do what is good for the rest of Panjim also. Now, if there are businesses and all that are being supported by, if there are businesses that are being kept afloat by the casinos, there are some hotels whose occupancy is 90% from the casinos. They are hiring our local boys and all. No, what is going to happen to them and their families also? These people don't think about any of that. See, I will support them completely, no, if they have a plan. It is very basic. If you remove the casinos, no, what happens to Panjim next? What is going to happen to the taxes that help generate? What is going to happen to all the shopkeepers whose lives depend on it? What is going to happen to all the hotel owners whose livelihoods are dependent on it? They have no plan for any of this, no. They said remove the casinos. What is your plan for after that? There is nothing. So until they have a clear plan that is presented to the people and the people accept it, what is the point of making a noise? You all yourselves don't know what you all want.
so you support casino you support
No, see, I don't support casinos. I support Panjim. Now, if the businesses in Panjim are dependent on the casinos, then that is something that I will have to tolerate. I don't have a choice. It's not. Why we are hosting a lot of events in Panjim also. Why we are doing a lot of stuff to build community, is because of this. We need to create a different alternative to the casinos. In Panjim, it is only that one lane, that has traffic. Otherwise, the whole city is dead. There is nothing that happens in the city. So all these events that we're sponsoring, all these events that we're doing is to encourage people to come to the city, to encourage tourists to come to the city. So there is an alternative to the casinos, but that does not happen overnight. So these people will never do anything like this, right? They are happy to sit and just complain about it.
सो तांचे अनेक रेजिडेंटची कंप्लेन देव कंप्लेन अबाउट आतां ती बोर्ड येवन रावल्या सो ताच्या व्हायब्रेशन तेंच्या घराक जाता म्हणटाले पोस्ट ऑफिस बीन ऑल
So what I am supposed to do about it now? There are departments to handle that now. The boat is vibrating in the water. What is corporation supposed to do? See, we can raise the issues with the departments also. But if you are targeting the corporation, expecting the corporation to do something, it is not within our powers also. Take your resolution and go to the chief minister, no? That is what we are saying. Nothing else.
Yes,
Yeah?
thank you.
Thanks.